Hi guys, today we will be modifying our VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. We will replace rather this camera that it came with, an HD camera with a VIVITAR 1080p action camera. This action camera comes with a wireless remote, which looks like a wristwatch, and a waterproof casing, as you can see. It also has a bicycle mount and a helmet mount, and it has a rechargeable lithium battery built in it. It also comes with, of course, a charger, USB cable. Okay, let's get to it. As you can see over here, I have already put some rubber bands over this drone. I am just gonna show you how I put it. I did put two horizontal bands, one from each side, and then vertical, one from up and one from the bottom. Or maybe I should do it this way. This is the front of the two, and then two. And how I did that was, let me use this one as an example. How I did that was took the band, simple, go through one end, go underneath the landing gear, go underneath the second landing gear, and then stretch. Not too much so that the band doesn't break, but just stretch. And voila. So flip it over with the front of the drone facing me, so I know which direction my camera should be pointing. Notice that this camera has this extension rail, and then I'll put one side underneath, lift up the second side, pass this underneath, put it underneath as well already. And then take this side, lift it up. Oops, I turned the drone on. Okay. Take the last section. It's a little bit tricky, but easy. And there you go. Now you see that we have a very decent grip. All we need to do is bring this all around. And fit this in, which is easy to do. Make sure it is firm on there, just to avoid any movement, especially if you're gonna fly in windy conditions. You wanna make sure that it is secured tightly on the drone. Yeah. So just give me a split second here. Let me make sure this is really tight. Okay. And then you can just wrap the remaining flap around, or in the event where you feel otherwise, you can just cut it off. But I'm not gonna cut it off because I'm just gonna wrap it around for now. And one of the reasons why I prefer this method is because I don't like really mutilating the drone. I want it to function. I'm just gonna use this camera for certain purposes, and then after that I'll take it off, and put back the original camera that it came in. So other people on other occasions have, you know, take this out, take this, put a glue or screw something, or I don't know what they do, but I prefer this method because then once you're done, you can easily take everything apart, put this one, your drone would still be the same fly normally, and this is pretty decent and stable as well. As you can see, this is strong. You can fly in windy conditions. So again, replacing the HD camera with a full HD VIVITAR action camera, and yeah, oh nice. So I'll test this out in a short while, and then we'll see how it performs, but hopefully I've secured it correctly, and yeah, it should work. I did it with the sky view, and it was really impressive. It worked real good, so I'm quite sure it's going to work on this as well. Okay, please subscribe, comment below, and see you on my next video. Thank you guys.